Do you want to let customers pick their own colors directly on your WooCommerce product pages? Variation swatches only let you choose a specific set of colors, not the exact shade. That's where a color picker field comes in. While shopping for your customizable products, your customers can easily pick the color they want, which boosts your sales. And with WowAddons, the all-in-one product options plugin for WooCommerce, you can add a color picker option in just a few minutes. Let me show you how it works. First, we need to install the WowAddons plugin. From your WordPress plugin dashboard, simply search for WowAddons. Install and activate it just like any other plugin. Once activated, head over to the WowAddons dashboard and click on Create Options. You'll be directed to the Add-ons Builder page. First of all, we need to select the products we want to add the color picker to. Under the Product Selections drop-down, choose the products you like. This can be a single product, multiple products, or even an entire category. Now click on the plus icon to add a new field. From the options list, select Color Picker, and it's instantly added to your selected product page. From the left panel, you'll see customization settings, like choose the add-on title, write a description for the add-on, set default color value, make the field required, and so on. But most importantly, you can set a fixed price or a percentage price for the add-on. So if a customer wants to pick a custom color, you can charge them for it. Want to make things smarter? Move to the Conditional Logic tab. Here, you can show or hide the color picker option based on other options the customer selects. For example, when the customer selects yes to the question, when it choose your favorite color, the color picker option will be available. Let's go back to the settings again. Now simply enable conditional logic for the element. Click on Add New and select the relevant field as needed. And set the condition to True. You're all set up. This keeps your product page clean and more effective. Do you have a product that requires multiple color inputs from the user? You can do that too easily. Simply click the plus icon again to add multiple color pickers. You can rename each of these color pickers differently, like choose frosting color and choose decorative color. Also, you can set different prices for each color option. Perfect for products with multiple components. After modifying all the settings, make sure to click on the Publish button to see the changes. Okay, let's check things out on our live product page. As you can see, we've successfully added the color picker field to our product page. And that's how easy it is to add a color picker as an extra product option in WooCommerce using WowAddons. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next one.